So before going to chapter, now we'll see the daily life examples. Height of an electric pole and the electric wire. So the angle made by the electric wire from the ground is nothing but theta. The distance between the electric pole and the electric wire is nothing but distance. So one more daily life example is, this is the height of a wall and this is a ladder. The person is whitewashing the wall. So the angle made by the ladder is theta. The distance between the wall and the ladder is from ground level. So this is the shapes in daily life we will observe in the form of a triangle. So the specialty of the triangle is right angle triangle, where we have one height, one distance and one length. So our topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but dealing with the three sides of a right angle triangle. In the chapter indicates tri. So three sided figure we have many triangles, but we are using only right angle triangle for trigonometry because here we have height, distance and length, where the height and distance meet. Here with angle made is known as 90 degrees. So the specialty of this triangle is right angle triangle. Now let us see the right angle triangles. So this is a right angle triangle ABC. A person is standing here and they have to see the top of the building. So when we want to see any heights, we need to raise our head. So how much angle we raise our head is nothing but theta. So theta opposite side is known as opposite side. Theta adjacent is known as adjacent side. And 90 degrees opposite is known as hypotenuse. So once again listen, AB is the height of a building. A person is standing at the point C. He needs to raise his head. So how much angle he raise the head is nothing but theta. Theta opposite is opposite side. Theta adjacent is adjacent side. And 90 degrees opposite is known as hypotenuse. Here same example. AB is the height of a building. At a point A the person is standing. He needs to bend his head to see down. So how much angle he bends the head is nothing but theta. Theta opposite is opposite side. Theta adjacent is adjacent side. 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. So let us consider again. AB is the height of a building. A person is standing at the point A. So he needs to bend his head to see down. So how much angle he bend the head is nothing but theta. Theta opposite is known as opposite side. Theta adjacent is adjacent side. 90 degrees opposite is nothing but hypotenuse. In these two figures, if you observe, 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse will be in the same place. So whether we are seeing down to top or top to down, hypotenuse will remain same in both the right angle triangles. So now in right angle triangle we already given the names opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. So based on this we have 6 trigonometric ratios, that is sine theta. Sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Cosine theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Tangent theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Cosecant theta is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. Secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. Cotangent theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. If you are not able to remember the names, sin theta we can represent as sin theta only. Cosine theta we will represent as cos theta. So in exam when we want to write sin and cos, sin is sin theta. Sin full name no need to write, sin theta. Cosine theta full word no need to write, short form is cos theta. Tangent theta short form is tan theta. Cosecant theta short form is cosecant, C-O-S-E-C theta, cosecant theta. Secant is SEC theta, secant theta. Cotangent is nothing but cot theta. So the short forms of sin, S-I-N-E, sin theta is S-I-N theta. Cosine theta full we can't write in the exam, so C-O-S theta cos theta. Tangent is nothing but tan tan theta. Cosecant full word instead of that write cosec. Cosec theta. Secant theta is nothing but sec theta. Cotangent theta is nothing but cot theta. So the short form how to remember sin theta is SOH. SOH. S indicates sin theta, O indicates opposite, H indicates hypotenuse. So once again S indicates sin theta, O indicates opposite, H indicates hypotenuse. So cosine is CAH. CAH. So C indicates cos, A indicates adjacent, H indicates hypotenuse. So once again C indicates cos, A indicates adjacent, H indicates hypotenuse. Same way tangent also. TOA. T indicates tangent, O indicates opposite, A indicates adjacent. So sine reciprocal is cosecant, cosine reciprocal is secant, tangent reciprocal is cotangent. Reciprocals are nothing but denominator will become numerator, numerator will become denominator. So sine and cosecant are reciprocals. Sine opposite by hypotenuse means cosecant will be hypotenuse by opposite. So these two are reciprocals. So sine and cosecant are reciprocals. Now cosine and secant are reciprocals. Tan and cot are reciprocals. So when you are learning, if you learn sine opposite by hypotenuse, so no need to by it, remember SOH. S is sine, O is opposite, H is hypotenuse. If you learn sine opposite hypotenuse, sine reciprocal is only cosecant. Cosecant will be hypotenuse by opposite. Cosine is adjacent by hypotenuse. So no need to learn this much. CAH. C indicates cos, A indicates adjacent, H indicates hypotenuse. Cosine reciprocal is only secant. Secant is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. So tangent, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Remember as TOA. T indicates tan, O indicates opposite, A indicates adjacent. So tangent reciprocal is cotangent, that is nothing but cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. Now after knowing the trigonometric ratios, now we should know about reciprocal relations. Reciprocal relations, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. So sin theta is reciprocal of cosecant theta. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Same way cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So sin is reciprocal of cosecant, cosecant is reciprocal of sin. Reciprocal is nothing but we should write 1 by of cosecant. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, cosecant theta is equal to sin theta reciprocal. Second one is cos theta reciprocal is 1 by secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of 1 by cos theta. Tan is reciprocal to cot. Cot is reciprocal to tan. So tan will write it as 1 by cot theta. Cot theta will write it as 1 by tan theta. The reciprocal relations are very important. When we are doing identities or verifying LHS, RHS, we need to write instead of sine 1 by cosecant theta, or we may use tan theta plus 1 by cot theta. So reciprocal relations are very important to know about the identities. Now let us start the exercise. First problem, they have given the right angle triangle ABC. So theta, they didn't mention whether it is A or C position. So let us take angle is theta C. So theta opposite is opposite side, theta adjacent is adjacent, 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. They have given AB length as 8 centimeters, BC length as 15 centimeters, CA length as 17 centimeters. They are asking you to find sin A, cos A, tan A. Just now we learned sin A trigonometric ratio as opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite value in the diagram they gave 8. So opposite value is 8, hypotenuse value is 17. So sin A value is 8 by 15. So now cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent value is 15, hypotenuse value is 17. Now tan A is opposite by adjacent 8 by 15. So these are the trigonometric ratios of sin A, cos A and tan A. Here hypotenuse is 17. So these are the trigonometric ratios. So they will give the diagram. They write the sides also. You need to first identify which is opposite, which is adjacent and which is hypotenuse. After that you need to write the trigonometric ratios. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Learn as SOH. Cos is nothing but CAH. Tan is nothing but TOA. So just see the sides and write the values how much ever they are given in the figure. Opposite value is 8, adjacent is 15, hypotenuse is 17. So this is your fourth problem. Cos A is equal to 12 by 13. When we see this trigonometric ratio, immediately we need to draw a right angle triangle A, B and C. Angle is at the position of C. So first name the sides. Theta opposite is opposite side. Theta adjacent is adjacent. 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent side value is 12. Hypotenuse value is 13. The unknown side let us take opposite only. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That nothing but hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the two sides. So AC value they have given as 13. So I have written as 13 whole square. AB value is nothing but opposite side. BC square is nothing but 12. So 12 12s are 144. Plus 144 when you bring this side it become minus 144. So BC square is equal to 25. BC is equal to 5. So opposite side we got it as 5. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite value is 5. Hypotenuse value is 13. Tan A trigonometric ratio is opposite by adjacent. Opposite value is 5. Adjacent value is 12. So sin A and tan A value. Sin A is 5 by 13. Tan A is 5 by 12. So now this is 3 tan A is equal to 4. Find sin A and cos A. So 3 tan A is equal to 4. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. 3 tan A is nothing but 3 into tan A. Multiplication will become division. So tan A trigonometric ratio is opposite by adjacent. So draw a right angle triangle ABC. Theta we take at the position C. Theta opposite is opposite. Theta adjacent is adjacent side. 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. So opposite value we got as 4. So mention. Adjacent value is 3. So mention in the figure. Same according to Pythagoras theorem. Sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to hypotenuse side. So here hypotenuse is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB value is 4. So 4 whole square. 4 4s are 16. BC square. So BC value is 3. 3 3s are 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. AC square equal to 25 means AC is equal to 5. So square root of 25 is 5. Now they are asking you to write sin A and cos A. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So 4 by 5. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So cos A value is 3 by 5. cot theta is equal to 5 by 12. So cot 5 by 12 is adjacent by opposite. So draw a right angle triangle ABC. So take theta position at C. Theta opposite is opposite. Theta adjacent is adjacent. 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB value is 12, BC value is 5. 12 12s are 144, 5 5s are 25. 144 plus 25 is 169. Square root of 169 is 13. So now we have to write trigonometric ratio sin theta. Sin theta trigonometric ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is how much in the figure? 12. Hypotenuse is 13. So sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent value is 5. Hypotenuse value is 13. So cos theta is equal to 5 by 13. Now we have to calculate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here we are applying a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1. So sin square theta. Here also a plus b into a minus b, 1 square is 1, so cos square theta. Sin theta value just now we have calculated 12 by 13. Cos theta value we have calculated as 5 by 13. So first do the squares. 1 minus 12 12s are 144, 13 13s are 169. Same here also, 5 5s are 25, 13 13s are 169. So subtraction of two fractions. 1 into 169 is 169, then cross multiplication. 1 into 169 is 169, 144 ones are 144. Here also denominator is 169, 1 into 169 is 169, 25 ones are 25. 169 minus 25 is 144, 169 minus 144 is 25. Here both the denominators are same, so cancel 169, 169. Hence the value is 25 by 144. So now they have given PQ value as 7, QR value as 25, and they are asking you to calculate tan P minus tan R. If you observe tan at the angle P, so we have to draw a triangle PQR. Angle should be at present at theta. So theta opposite is opposite, theta adjacent is adjacent side. So opposite value is 25 and adjacent value is 7. So same way here also tan R angle is theta degrees, PQ is 7 centimeter, RQ is 25. So here opposite is 25, here adjacent is 7. So 25 by 7 minus, here it is 7 by 25. Tan R is opposite by adjacent. So opposite is 7, adjacent is 25. So 25 25 are 625, 7 7s are 49. So 625 minus 49 is 576 by 175. So now let us go to trigonometric angles. So we have 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan and cosecant, secant and cot. So we have to find the angles of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60 and 90. So how to prepare a table? So let us take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last digit is 4. So divide every number by 4 and apply the square root. 0 by something is 0, square root of 0 0. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. Cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are. Square root of 1 is 1, root 2 is root 2. So root 3 is root 3, root 4 is 2. 4 1s are 4, so square root of 1 is 1. So this is your sine angle. Sine 0 degrees is 0. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degrees is 1. So now how to find cos? Just write reverse of sine. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So reverse of sine is cos. Tan how you will find? Sine by cos. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 is there, root 3 by 2 is there. So 2 will get cancelled. 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. Tan 45, both 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 will get cancelled. So tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 degrees, denominators 2's will get cancelled. Numerator only root 3 will be remaining. So tan 60 is root 3. Tan 90, 1 by 0 is not defined. ND is nothing but not defined. So sine reverse is only cosecant, reciprocal. So sine 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2 by 1. So root 2 is a cosecant 45 degrees. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2 means cosecant 60 will be reverse 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So now cosecant we got, write the reverse of cosecant, we will get the secant angles 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 not defined. So cot theta how you will get? Reciprocal of tan is only cot. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by root 3 will become root 3 by 1. So denominator 1, so root 3. Tan 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 will become 1 by root 3. So not defined will become 0. These are the trigonometric angles: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. Angles for 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So now take the second exercise. Evaluate the following: sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees from angles table, sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Same cos 45 degrees is also 1 by root 2. So we have to add like addition of two fractions, root 2 into root 2 in the denominator. Now cross multiplication, 1 into root 2 plus 1 into root 2. 1 into root 2 is root 2. 1 into root 2 is also root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. Denominator 2 is there. So 2 will get cancelled. So the value is root 2. So once again, sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 value. Cos 45 degrees value is also 1 by root 2. So denominators we have to multiply. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 1 into root 2 plus 1 into root 2. 1 into root 2 is root 2. 1 into root 2 is also root 2. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. The value is root 2. So now second problem is cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. Again we will take the values of cos 45 degrees from the table as 1 by root 2. Secant 30 degrees value is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 degrees value is also 2 by root 3. So numerator as it is 1 by root 2 will write. Denominator we have to take as addition of two fractions. Denominator is root 3 into root 3. Now again 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. 2 into root 3 is also 2 root 3. So numerator 1 by root 2 will write. Denominator equation is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 4 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So division of two fraction, first fraction 1 by root 2 will write, division is the reciprocal sign of multiplication. 4 root 3 by root 3 will become as 3 by 4 root 3. 1 into 3 is 3, 4 root 2 into root 3, 2 3s are 6. So 3 by 4 root 6 is your answer. So once again, cos 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, cosecant 60 is also 2 by root 3. So numerator 1 by root 2 as it is, denominator addition of two fractions, root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3, 2 into root 3 is also 2 root 3, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 4 root 3. So first fraction 1 by root 2 will write as it is, division reciprocal is multiplication, 4 root 3 by 3 will become 3 by 4 root 3, 1 3s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 3 by 4 root 6. Second one is 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 minus tan square 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees value again we will take from the angles table. Tan 45 degrees is 1. 1 ones are 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Same in denominator also. Tan 45 value is 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 by 0 is 0. So now third problem is 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. So again take the angle value of tan 30 degrees from the angles table. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. So 2 tan 30 degrees is nothing but 2 into. Here into we will write it in the form of brackets. So 2 into 1 by root 3. 2 ones are 2. So 2 into 1 by root 3 will become 2 by root 3. Now in denominator tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 whole square. So we should do square for numerator and denominator. 1 ones are 1. Root 3 into root 3 will get 3. So here 1 denominator, if no value is there, denominator is 1. So multiply both the denominators. 1 3s are 3. Next cross multiplication. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. So 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by root 3. First fraction is as it is 2 by root 3 only. Division reciprocal sign is multiplication. 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. 2 2 will get cancelled. So 1 3s are 3. 1 into root 3 is root 3. So the final answer is 3 by root 3. Once again tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. Say substitute in numerator. 2 into 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3. Same thing in denominator. 1 by root 3 whole square. Whole square we should do for numerator and denominator. 1 ones are 1. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So in denominator 1 doesn't have any denominator. So take the value as 1. We multiply denominators together. 1 3s are 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 ones are 1. So numerator fraction is 2 by root 3. Denominator is 3 minus 1 2 by root 3. So first fraction 2 by root 3 will write as it is. Division reciprocal sign is multiplication. 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. 2 2 will get cancelled. So the answer is 3 by root 3. So now fourth problem is sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees sin 30 degrees is equal to sine 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. So they have given all the angles. So we will take from angles table, sine 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Same way cos 30 degrees value is also root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2, sine 30 degrees value is also 1 by 2. Now here 60 plus 30 is 90. So sine 90 degrees value from the angles table the value is 1. So RHS value we got value as 1. So we have to simplify LHS to get the answer 1. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Here both the denominators are same. So numerators can be added. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. LHS is equal to RHS. So once again sine 60 degrees we have taken from angles table root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees also we have taken from angle table root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. Sine 30 degrees also 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 2s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. Denominators both are same. So numerators can be added. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. 1 equal to RHS side 60 plus 30 is 90. Sine 90 degrees value is 1. So our LHS is equal to RHS. So now next one is cos 60 plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30. 60 plus 30 is 90 degrees. So we have to take from angles table cos 90 degrees value is 0. Same way cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. Here numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. 1 into root 3 is root 3, 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into 1 is root 3, 2 2s are 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is 0 because 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is 0. Once again 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees value we have taken from angles table. So cos 90 degrees value is 0. Cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2, cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So here numerator, numerator and denominator, denominator. 1 into root 3 is root 3, 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into 1 is root 3, 2 2s are 4. So plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 will become 0 because 1 plus quantity, 1 minus quantity will become 0. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So next one, they have given a right angle triangle PQR. Q is 90 degrees, R angle is 60 degrees. So they are asking you to find QR length. So angle opposite is opposite side, angle adjacent is adjacent side, 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. So sin 60 degrees is equal to trigonometric ratio is opposite by adjacent. So sin 60 degrees value from angles table root 3 by 2. Adjacent value we have to calculate, take it as x, 6 by x. So x is equal to 6, root 3 by 2 when it comes to opposite side, it will become 2 by root 3. 6 2s are 12, 12 by root 3. So adjacent value x is equal to 12 by root 3. Adjacent is nothing but RQ value is 12 by root 3. So once again listen, sin 60 degrees trigonometric ratio is opposite by adjacent. Sine 60 degrees angle value is root 3 by 2. Opposite value is 6. Adjacent value is x. So x equal to 6 into root 3 by 2 will become 2 by root 3. 6 2s are 12. Denominator is 3. So x value is 12 by root 3 means RQ value is 12 by root 3.